Welcome back to Life is Easy, the only place where your brain gets a workout without needing a gym membership or tight yoga pants. Today, we're not asking you to sit cross-legged and breathe like you're starring in a Zen documentary. No, no. Today, we're waking your brain up with exercises so fun, it might start doing cartwheels. You might say, I'm already smart. Great, but can you find numbers in a scrambled grid while your brain quietly screams, why are we doing this? If you're ready to challenge your brain, and maybe your dignity a little, let's jump right in. Exercise 1, the Schulte Table. Number hunting madness. You'll see a grid with numbers 1 to 25 scattered like confetti at a toddler's birthday. Your mission? Find the numbers in ascending order in 30 seconds. This boosts your brain's focus and peripheral vision. Like a ninja. A number-finding ninja. Exercise 2, multicolor text. Say the color, not the word. You'll see words written in different colors, but here's the twist. Say the color of the word, not the word itself. If the word green is written in red, say red. Does it sound easy? Let me see. Read this sentence and tell me in the comments how you did. Watch your brain glitch like a confused robot, and that's how you know it's working. Exercise 3. Eyes closed. Challenge. Chaos mode activated. Try writing your name, drawing a circle, or even texting someone with your eyes closed. If you end up drawing what looks like a drunk potato instead of a circle, congratulations. You're engaging your spatial memory. Exercise 4, hand coordination. Finger gymnastics. Make a peace sign with your right hand and an OK sign with your left. Now switch, and again. Do this 5 times fast. If you accidentally slap yourself, you're probably doing it right. This strengthens the mind-body connection and mildly confuses everyone watching you. Exercise 5. Brain games. No, not Candy Crush. Play games that challenge your brain like Sudoku, chess, riddles, or crosswords. Games that make your brain sweat, not just your thumbs. If a puzzle makes you angry, great. That means your neurons are high-fiving each other. Exercise 6. Cut down on tech. Use that brain for once. Try memorizing phone numbers, doing math without a calculator, or making a grocery list without using your phone. No, we're not sending you back to the Stone Age, just giving your memory a workout. Because honestly, relying on Google for your own birthday isn't a flex. And now, 6 amazing and bizarre exercises that will transform your brain from boring to awesome. If you feel like your brain is 2% more alert, like this video, subscribe to the Easy Life channel and activate the bell button. Your future intelligence depends on it. Tell us in the comments, which exercise made you feel like a genius, and which exercise made you question your entire existence. See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and a little interesting.